Welcome back to another episode of What's in Store Fridays. My name is Mark Cockrell and I'm with the Cultural Heritage Museums. And today we're going to talk about what's on sale on the online store. We're having a big winter sale, lots of items, most of them are going to be 50% off. So it's a good time to stock up on some gifts. So let's get started, and it's just a hodgepodge, but if you'll check out the online store, you'll see more items that are on sale as well. And at the end, I'm going to show you how we used one of our jams to make a blackberry spice cake. So first we have this Earth Moon model making kit. You put it together, you can paint it. This is a really nice ruler. It's heavy duty plastic. It lists all the planets on there and has all the fun facts on the back. This is great for a birthday party favors. We have these science kits. These are called Earth Science Kits. This one pertains to rocks, but it comes with an assortment of rocks and gives you the activities that you can learn all about the different rocks. Out at Brightonsville, we have some really cool puzzles. This one is the American story, talking about the writing of the Constitution, but it's a 550-piece puzzle. This one too is a 550-piece puzzle. It talks about the evolution of the flag. But these are going to be half price too on our online store. Also, we have these really nice hot plates from their Seagrass that they're made down in Charleston. We have a couple of different ones of these. These are regularly $50. They're going to be on sale. When you see the price on the online store, it reflects the sale price. Out of Brightonsville, we have this beautiful navy mug, a great coffee mug. Also, this is a really nicely embossed denim bag. You can feel the nice texture on it. It's been embossed. This would be great to carry your school books, going to the library kind of thing, going to the store, but that's a beautiful denim bag. Also out of Brightonsville, we have historic Brightonsville, South Carolina on the puddle jumper. Those of you who don't know what a puddle jumper is, it's an antique toy, sort of helicopter wings, and you just take your hands and you go back and forth and you shoot it really quick and it flies up in the air. Okay, also out at Brightonsville, these are on our online store. It comes in a nice tin box, but this is Tiddlywinks. That's an old-fashioned game. It's up for 2 to 6 players, but it comes in this nice carrying case in this tin box. Along with that, we have the classic domino set, but it too comes in this nice tin box. Here we have the Hatch and Grow turtle. It's submerged in water. You wait overnight and the egg starts hatching. The kids can keep checking it each day and it slowly hatches and a turtle emerges. Easter's coming. This is a nice little jump rope, but the packaging is really cute with the bunny rabbit. But it's an extra long skipping rope, and it's so long it's made for 3 people. But this would make a great Easter basket gift. Another old game is called Cat's Cradle. This packaging is really cool too. But this is a classic playground string game, but it comes with the instructions on how to play it. This is a grow sloth. It's similar to the Hatch and Grow turtle, but you too submerge this in water. And this is a little tree trunk. After 24 hours, the sloth starts growing up and popping its head out of the tree trunk. All right, these are the critter headlamps. These you put on your forehead, and it has the LED lights, but these are really fun little headlamps. They come in 2 styles, the raccoon and the little brown bear. We sell these nice binoculars. This is a 6-time magnification. They're regularly $12.50. These are going to be 50% off as well. So this is a good time to stock up on some gifts for the kids. Springtime's coming, they'll be wanting to get outside. Okay, on that vein of the binoculars, this is an outdoor little birder set, but it comes with a little pair of binoculars and a little booklet to educate you on the different kinds of birds. Okay, but it comes with a bird watching guide as well. Springtime's coming, kids are going to be wanting to get outside and explore, and all the birds are coming to the bird feeders. This would be a great time to pick up these for half price. These are great little journals or sketch pads. They're just unlined paper, but they have really cool designs on them. We have different designs: sunflowers, irises, butterflies. So when you go on the online store, just pick whichever one you want. But these make great little gifts. They're regularly $7. They're going to be half price as well. We have these really nice candles from Raven. This one is green tea and cucumber, but they come boxed in this really nice packaging. This one's vanilla hazelnut. You should always snip the wick a little bit before you start burning it to keep the flame from getting too out of hand. But we have different smells. This one's fir needles and sap, black currant and tangerine, the vanilla hazelnut, which we've shown you, and green tea and cucumber. But these last a good 60 hours. These have a great burn time as well. We do have these little stamp sets. These are probably 4 inches long, 3 or 4 inches long, but it's like a little suitcase. But it comes with all these different little stamps. Okay, we've shown you these before. These are the great bamboo plates. They're very lightweight, but they have that traditional blue and white design on them. We've got the dinner plates, the salad plates, and a couple of the bowls left as well. We have these Santa Claus. These are vernigrain images, but they're like little shelf sitters. We're going to put these on sale as well. I'll tell you, this is a big sale going on. It's our big winter sale. But these make great little gifts, and these look great on your mantle as well. We've got a pewter serving tray. It comes with 4 compartments. It has the gold palmetto tree in the middle. Okay, we still have some of the Adam's apple bourbon bath left. This is a great sauce, putting it on your pork or your chicken, but you can just lather it on. It's a really good sauce. Okay, so we've got some of our jams left. This is the fig sweet onion. If you remember, we made the rosemary cheese and put this on top. That was so good. We've got blackberry spice, and we've got some of this peach and mint, but these are really good jams. I did make a blackberry cake last night, and we're going to see how it turned out. But this is a good cake to make this time of year because it calls for a lot of cinnamon cloves and stuff that I know you've used during the holidays. So this would be a good time to use up those spices and use a cup of the jam in the cake batter as well. And this is traditionally called a blackberry jam cake, specifically a Kentucky blackberry jam cake. But we have our own twist on it. We're calling it the South Carolina blackberry spice jam cake because we're using the blackberry jam from South Carolina. I wanted to tell you about this wonderful cake. It's got the caramel icing. So this is a 2-layer. A lot of times people make a 3-layer, but this is a 2-layer. You'll make the cake bottom, pour the icing on that first layer, let it just ooze over. Top it with a second layer, your cake layer, and then put the rest of your icing on top and just let it run over the edges. But this is a great cake. The caramel is really good. The cake itself is really blackberry spice. It's got a really good flavor. Also, since we're talking sales, this beautiful basket weave cake stand is also on sale in the online store. But it's a nice, big, generous sized cake stand. It would look great on your table. So let's see how the cake came out. And there you have it, a South Carolina blackberry spice jam cake from Sally's Greatest. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed this episode, and we have a lot of items on sale in the online store, so make sure you visit chmuseums.myshopify.com, and I'll put the recipe on our blog to make this really wonderful cake. So we hope you visit the blog as well, and please leave some comments. Till we see you next time, take care. This is really good.